Okay, question 7. They're asking about atomic structure. An atom of lithium is represented as 7,3 Li. Explain why a lithium atom has no overall electrical charge. So you need to be thinking about what's inside a lithium atom which has charge. So I want to identify, using this number, we've got 3 protons in lithium and we also have 3 electrons. In the atom form, they're the same number. Now the proton has a +1 charge and the electron has a -1 charge, and these charges basically cancel out. So our marks are there for identifying the number of protons and electrons, identifying their charge for mark number 2, and the third mark is for showing that those charges cancel out. We're then asked to give one similarity and one difference in the electronic structure of the elements in the period across from lithium to neon. So, have a look at the periodic table you've been given. We're going across this period here, going across this row from lithium to neon, so they're all in the same row, and that's important. Now they're asking about electronic structure, so they're asking about the number of electrons, they're not concerned about protons and neutrons. So one similarity, because they are all in the same row, is that they have the same number of electron shells. Then we want to come to the differences. Well, the number of electrons is increasing as we go across the period, and we can see that the atomic number is increasing, so therefore the electrons are increasing too. Question 7.3 is asking you to compare and contrast what the subatomic particles are doing in the plum pudding model. So let's go through some of the differences. So in the nuclear model, we have a positive charge in the nucleus, whereas in the plum pudding model, we have a positive charge, a ball of positive charge. So there's not this nuclear bit, the whole ball is positive. The nuclear model has electrons arranged in shells. Whereas the plum pudding model has them embedded in that dough, basically, embedded in the ball of positive charge. Now, other differences you can kind of include are the idea that there are no neutrons in the plum pudding model, whereas in the nuclear model there are neutrons in the nucleus. Now, the big key thing here on these questions is they want to have linked sentences. They want you to be doing proper compare and contrast. They don't just want a series of bullet points and simple statements. To get the level 2 mark, they want, hopefully that'll focus in a moment. They want scientifically relevant features identified, the ways in which they are similar or different is made clear. So you might see that I kept using the word whereas. That works too. But if you're just making identifying simple features in a bullet point fashion, you're possibly going to miss out those level 2 marks. So make friends with the word whereas.